Okay, so once you've launched Zoom, it's quite easy to do. Just click on this one to invite some people. You can either send them an email, or you can copy the invitation, or just copy the URL, the link to send to them, and you can send it whichever way you like. That's the easiest way. Okay, so you've decided the time, the place, everything about it, and so people are joining, they're clicking the link and they're joining you. And what you will do, you will first of all just make sure that it's expanded to full screen. So if you don't, it'll be like that. So you just need to make sure it's full screen, and then start the video. Once you click on that, your camera will start working, and everyone will be able to see you. Until that's clicked, it'll be a black screen. So if you sat there in your PJs, don't worry, no one will see you as long as the red line is across that. Also, good to unmute yourself if you want to talk. It's probably better to make sure everyone is muted. They can all mute themselves, or if you've set up the meeting, you can mute everyone yourself. So it's good for everyone to start muted, and then if anyone wants to speak, they unmute themselves. The reason for that is that if there's some background noise going on in someone's house, maybe someone's washing up in the background and creating a bit of a clatter, you don't want that noise above the rest of the conversation. So it's good practice for everyone to mute themselves until they want to speak, unless you're having a good old chatter at the beginning. And that's more or less it, really. Oh, there's a couple of things which I think are pretty important. One is the chat, and that means just here people can chat. If you tell everyone about the chat, it means that while something's going on or somebody's saying something, everyone can write something in here, such as I agree. If I can spell it right, I agree. There you go. So just down there, I agree, and once you hit that, it will appear at the top there, and it will have your name against it, so everyone can see that you've written it. So there you go. One last thing, you can actually record the session as well, so that you can record it, it'll save it to your computer, and then you can upload it perhaps to YouTube or whatever you want, for everyone to watch it later. Or if someone couldn't join, you could perhaps send it to them as well. And then finally, when it's all over, click end meeting and end meeting for all, or just leave the meeting, and hey presto, it's gone.